I will be using one of these wreath rings from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3, and I will be using the larger ring. I will also be using one of the 5x7 oval wood plaques from the Dollar Tree. And I will be using one of the floral foam blocks from the Dollar Tree. I will be staining the wood piece with Rust-Oleum stain in the color Kona, and I will be painting the ring with Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint in the color gold. I'm going to cut the floral foam in half, then taking one of the pieces, I am going to cut it in half again, leaving me with about a 2.5 inch wide piece. Next, I'm going to hot glue the foam to the center of the wood piece. Then I'm going to cut a slit in the middle of the foam. I only cut down far enough for the ring to slide into, about 1/4 inch deep. Then I add hot glue to the slit and place the ring in the middle. Then I add more hot glue to the top and hold it until the glue sets up. I will be using 3 of the garland ties from Dollar Tree and wrapping them around the ring, starting at the base, wrapping until I get to the middle of the top of the ring. Next, I will be using various sizes of ball ornaments from Dollar Tree in the colors red and gold. I start by adding 2 of the smaller ornaments at the base of the ring, and I'm gluing them to the front part of the ring. I then add 2 larger ornaments, and I just continue adding the balls however I feel that they look nice. I continue going around the front part of the ring, stopping at the top middle part of the ring where the garland tie ends. I then turn the ring around and add ornaments to the back the same way I did to the front. I also add some of the glitter vase filler balls from Dollar Tree to the areas that look empty, where a larger ball would be too big. And here's how it's looking with all the ornaments added to the ring. I'm going to take this church ornament from Dollar Tree and remove the little pine sprigs and give it a coat of the same Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint. Once the paint is dry, I'm going to be using some Mod Podge and some red embossing tinsel, which is basically glitter, just not as chunky. I'm painting on the Mod Podge, then sprinkling the glitter on and shaking off the loose glitter. I will add the glitter to the entire church. Next, I'm going to hot glue the church to the center of the foam. I will be adding 2 of these mini trees to the church that I got from Dollar Tree. Next, I will be using some of the faux snow from Dollar Tree and gluing it around the base of the church. Then I'm going to add a few more ornaments and base filler to the front of the base. Now I will be adding 2 bottle brush trees from Dollar Tree to the wood plaque. Then I'm adding a few ornaments and base filler to the back of the base. I ended up using approximately 93 ornaments for this project. You could always add mini lights from the Dollar Tree, but I chose not to use any. Here's the finished project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!